So the issue with this machine is it sometimes does not recognize the fiber, and sometimes what it does is it has to connect the fibers like in a joint together right in front of it for the proper connections. But sometimes what it does is it goes off the screen and it does not recognize the fiber, so the fiber goes ahead of each other and do not match. They do not connect like they should. So what they do is they just keep moving over there. That's So these are the buttons for that scanner. Let's keep it apart. There. See the dirt. So my main motive would be cleaning these parts, cleaning those motors inside. I'll see if I can take everything apart and remove this upper head away from the motor. Okay. Camera can get it or not. The fibers are here, the fibers are here, the fibers are here. So there's fiber all around. Now what I need to see is like, do this and that move sideways also, or do this move sideways? Like, I know they have to move front and back, and there's no gap over here, so they won't be moving right left. But the issue is this machine shows the fiber over here like this, not that much gap, but like while it is touching together the fibers are not connecting, they are a bit above or like that. That's what I need to see. Okay, so finally we've reached to this point, and I think now I'll start closing everything up.